to ask yourself, where goes? These microplastics are entering our food chain, contaminating the water we drink and the food we eat. The average person unintentionally consumes the equivalent of a credit card of microplastics every week. But you can help. Unintentionally consumes the equivalent of a credit card of microplastics every week. But you can help. Small changes to your daily lifestyle can have a big impact. You really